Today we're making the Rosita. The Rosita we talked about is a Negroni variation. Start with some ice. So obviously I'm wearing the Negroni shirt because it's just that kind of day. All right. You start out with your cracked ice or your cubed ice, or whatever. Cracked out ice. So the original recipe is 1 ounce tequila, 1/2 ounce sweet vermouth, 1/2 ounce dry vermouth, and 1 ounce Campari. Modified recipes since then have called for 1.5 ounces of tequila to 1 ounce of Campari, and then 1.5 ounces of Campari, and then 1/2 ounce each of the vermouths, and then added a dash of bitters. I prefer the sweet vermouth straight up, and so I'm making this for myself. I'm gonna make the drink that I want to drink. So I'm doing full parts sweet vermouth. In my Negroni standards, I like to do 1.5 ounces of each. I think it just gives you a nice balanced flavor. And it's a bigger drink, and I'm a big dude, so you know, all these small 1/2 ounce increments won't add up to a full glass. So 1.5 ounces, 1.5 ounces, 1.5 ounces, and then we'll do the dash of bitters for fun. Added later, enjoyed currently. This one's a simple one. Just give a little stir on the rocks. You could, if you want, you can serve it up, and stir it in your mixing glass, strain into a martini glass. I'm finding most of the Negronis and Negroni variations that I've been enjoying lately have all been on the rocks, and usually when I order them anywhere, people are tending to trend towards on the rocks, and so that's just it's just the way it goes, baby. All right, Rosita, cheers.